For my meal, we start with some artisan bread and butter, followed by curried cauliflower soup with spiced crispy onions and coriander oil. For my main entree, I choose the chicken and mushroom pie served with a hint of truffle, mashed potatoes, roasted carrots, greens, and gravy. I guess a pie in the sky is actually attainable. Who knew? Virgin Atlantic takes its level of coolness a step further and offers their upper-class passengers a space to socialize, called the Loft, equipped with a leather couch and seating, flight status monitors, food, and a fridge.